Cash Spanish, I'm holding my own. This fast lane, not for the wannabes. Spinning holes up in this bitch. P. Schumacher, hold up at the cream and cheese. Ask a choose, we don't fuck with the rest. Say less and keep it low and move the keys. Yo for the show, we for the cash. Don't Lyzo on that paper breeze. Bound call the team, I knew hope is stacking bricks. Excuse my money flow, my attitude is raising wealth against. Where I'm from, where I'm going, cause the hunger got me chasing dreams. SA me, visions of a win. The rap what's up, I want the million things. I cash but fill up my bank. It's to take over like hope of my deeper bills. Kabecha my city, look at the lies they be feeding you. Broken promises was fooling you. Been in the dark so long, my grandma prayers working overtime. With the shades on, I see the light, no favors. With this fire, I'm kicking down doors, stand on my way. Even the pastors been doing things with the devil. Ask the pigeons how I know the Sandman. Killing these people with my flow. From now straight to the 80s. Blow your mind with the relevant info. Intelligent spirit running through my veins. Haters talking about the good shit. You're still wondering how Jesus walked on water. I'm in a crib reminiscing. I want to know who's COVID. Got my pistol, my pen and the paper. 3 P's plus the pain. My ancestors still keep the peace. Don't Lyzo the beast. On this war, no flexing. Peace state of mind got me walking on the roof. World tactics of making classics. Let the dog out the leash.